Today, I'm going to be unboxing a keyboard from Keychron, the Q11. I love the reflective writing on the box, looks pretty cool. In the box, you get a quick start guide, a user manual, and some other information. You also get a few spare keycaps for a Windows setup, followed by some USB-C cables, and finally, a keycap puller. Now, let's take this bad boy out the packaging. Honestly, guys, this feels really good in the hands. Now for some one-on-one action with me and the keyboard. Can you please leave the room? I opted for the K Pro red switches. They sound pretty cool. Over here you get a USB-C port followed by a switch for Mac or Windows, and these are the ports where you connect the keyboard together. I reckon I'm going to be sticking with this keyboard for some time. What do you guys think? Would you rock this keyboard?